I am Ignacio. Today we're hiking to a beautiful waterfall in Santa Clarita. That way, 1.8 miles, it's Sand Canyon Road. You can enter on Google Maps Walker Ranch Trailhead and it will bring you to this spot. I'll leave a link on the description. That way is 3.3 miles to the 14 freeway. Today's hike is 1.6 miles in total with an elevation gain of 290 feet. It's perfect for the whole family. We are going to Placerita Canyon Waterfall. At the beginning you can go that way through the flat road, or you can turn on the right and take a small trail. It is a shortcut. It should take you about 5 minutes to get to the first creek crossing. If you like something more challenging, this is also the trailhead to Los Pinetos, which is the mountain in the background. I made a video about it too. Click on the link to watch it. It will explain you in detail and step by step how to get up there. So that's the flat road that you can also take to get to this point. We took this small trail. It's a shortcut. It will save you like 5 minutes. There are restrooms and there are also trash cans, so please, there's no excuse. Leave this place beautiful and clean for everyone's enjoyment. Thank you. After crossing the creek, there's a nice picnic area on the right hand side. Right over there. It's perfect to bring the kids here. You can also do a longer hike and come all the way from there, which is 2 miles, to the Placerita Nature Center. It is a longer hike, but it's also very beautiful. And right across from the picnic area, that way, you'll find the trail for Los Pinetos, the one that I mentioned before. In this case, we're going to the left. Today is January 2nd of 2026. Happy New Year to all. If this is your first time watching my channel, please subscribe and activate the little bell. That way you will not miss any of my adventures. Thank you so much for your support. It was cool and drizzling with 20% chances of light rain. Obviously, do not come here if there is any heavy rain on the forecast like we had last week. A big atmospheric river. Please be careful. Once the sun comes up, it's gonna be perfect. Here we're about halfway. It's one of my favorite spots because two little waterfalls join together. There's a couple spots that are might be a bit sketchy, just be extra careful. Bring the right footwear, hiking boots. If you don't have them, you can buy them on a link that I'm gonna leave on the description of the video. The perks of hiking during the rainy season is that you get to see waterfalls that you usually don't see them. This is the first time I saw that one. It looks beautiful. Kind of sketchy to get up there. Maybe in the future I will explore it. Not far from here, there are two more waterfalls. One is called Whitney Canyon Falls, and another one Ellesmere Canyon Falls. Many people don't know about it. You can click on the links to watch them. In about 20 minutes north of Santa Clarita, you will find another beautiful waterfall that not many people know about. It is called Castaic Falls. Click on the link to watch that video too. Eventually, we want to find a small creek on the left that it might look like the trail that we're looking for, but we're gonna keep going to the right. This will give you a better perspective of the size of the waterfall. I asked these guys if there's anything else up there, and they told me there's a couple more waterfalls, maybe in a quarter of a mile, but they say it's very sketchy and dangerous. So if you decide to go past this point, which I do not recommend, you are doing it at your own risk. Please be safe. After the rains, Santa Clarita turns green and it has so many beautiful hiking trails with waterfalls, rock formations, and beautiful landscapes. Click on the link that's going to appear on the screen to keep watching them. Thank you so very much for your support. Until next time.